Hey guys, what's up? This is Al from It's Android's World here for droidshark.com, and today I have another Android app review for you guys of a free application in the market called SoBees for Twitter and Facebook. But in this video we're going to be focusing on Twitter since I don't have a Facebook. This is a really cool Twitter client which is really focused on actually multi-account support and different really nice menu systems. It's a really cool Twitter application, so let's take a look. Alright guys, so there it is, the SoBees icon, but before we get into it, as you can see, here's the widget. Tap on the SoBees logo, and this is where we can post the actual tweets from what accounts we have. There's Android's World, so make sure you guys follow me, twitter.com/AndroidsWorld. We're going to go ahead and back out of that. And let's go ahead and launch open the application here. Let's go ahead and try to get that to launch. And here we are. I definitely think this is one of the best looking Twitter clients for Android. I really like it. My only knock about it, it's not very fast. I use Tweetcaster as my daily because it has the best multi-account support I've ever seen, and it's definitely fast, but this is not that fast, and that's definitely my only knock about it. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. As you can see up on top here, we have our actual name, Android's World, and here we have the post tweet button. When you launch it, you can shorten the link, you can add pictures, you can geotag the tweet. There we have the character count remaining, and I'm just going to go ahead and type in testing. And as you can see, I can cancel the tweet, or if I tap send to show you guys how quick it sends, there we go, and there's the tweet. It tells me how long ago it was sent from and via what. And there I got the picture and the actual tweet itself from who. So you see the scrolling is quite smooth though, and that's definitely one of the biggest things I need from any app that I have. It needs to be fast and smooth. Speed isn't major when it comes to refreshing and everything, but it is quite smooth, which is definitely good. So there's the little refresh button, and it's accessed from all the way up on top. So when you start scrolling, you can actually tap menu and hit go to top, and as you can see, there's the little refresh icon right there. So down here we have the home button, which is our timeline. We can switch to our at replies, and as you can see, that'll refresh. We can go to our direct messages, but of course those are private, and we can go to lists. Personally, I don't like that being a list button because not a lot of people use lists on Twitter. Sorry if you do, but not a lot of people do, so I think that could have been a lot more better used by maybe a profile button or a refresh button or something like that, or maybe even being able to customize that button to your liking. That would definitely be a cool feature. So let's go ahead and go back to home and just show you guys when you actually select a tweet. When I tap on it, here I got one of my friends, Hidden Gopher. He says that his new vibrant that he just got is rooted. Yay, I love it. Lets me know how long ago he tweeted it and via what. I can reply, send him a message, favorite, or retweet it. So just to show you guys, if I retweet it, I can retweet it or I can quote it. I'll just do the Twitter API retweet. And as you can see, it'll send it again. Not the biggest, fastest. And as you can see, it's very buggy too. There are often times that I'll get errors with this, which is definitely something I don't like. Favoriting is very easy, so you can just favorite it, unfavorite it very quick. Send him a message, or I can reply to his tweet, and there we have the reply screen. You guys have already seen that though. So a very nice experience there. And as you can see when you're scrolling through, very nice. You can actually tap it. When you have any links or profiles in a tweet, you can just tap on them themselves. That'll take you to the browser. And as you can see, it will load up eventually. And there we go. It starts loading up. And there we have it. Going back home and going back into SoBees application, go ahead and take a look at some of the other features it has. You can actually organize the services, as you can see, all the different services you've ever had, and you can actually just close them out if you'd like to. So I'm going to go ahead and do those, and you can add new ones right from there. Tapping menu here, I can go to my favorites, and these are my favorite tweets, so I like that screen. Go back into SoBees, tapping menu, we can go to my profile, and here you can see my name, my site, how many followers I have, how many people I'm following, all of my tweets. When I tap on them, they load up, and all of my favorite tweets, when I tap on that, that loads up. Tapping menu, I can also close the application, or I can go into settings. This is where I can add or manage my actual Twitter accounts and my Facebook accounts. I can change my Twitter settings, as you see, number of results returned and number of results kept. You can change different services as well for the bit.ly service. Thankfully, with the new upgrade, there are the notification settings, and they're pretty much all the settings you could need, as you can see. And going back in the settings screen, we also have the application settings, which is clearing the cache, the font size, which I'll set to large, and the update interval. So there's not a lot of settings for this, but here it is. And I do like the Twitter application, but the lack of settings And the lack of the UI features and the lack of speed are really what keeps this from being my daily Twitter app.